Hey, let me show you how you can connect your Samsung Galaxy M15 5G with your PC and transfer data, for example, photos or music. So first of all, on your Samsung, you will have to actually open the settings. Now from this, you will actually start from this screen. You will have to scroll all the way down, select About Phone. Now you will have to scroll down again, open Software Information and keep tapping on the build number until you enable the developer mode. If you didn't enable the developer options previously, you will have to actually input your screen lock method. Then you will have to go back, and now on the main page under the About Phone you can find the developer options. So open them. Now just keep scrolling a little bit until you find the USB debugging, and you have to just turn it on by clicking on this switcher. Next, you will need to bring the USB-C cable, plug it to the USB-C port at the bottom of your device. Next from this, the second end of the cable we have to plug to our PC. So in my case this is actually the USB-A, but if you have PC with the USB-C port, so still you can also connect into your PC. Now when you connect, you will actually find the charging information, but also notification in the left upper corner. So we have to just swipe down, and from this we have to select the USB for the file transfer. In my case it's actually set as default, but if you are connected, for example, to charging phone only, just enable this, transferring files. Now we have to move into our PC, and from this we'll also receive notification about the connection. So right here in the right bottom corner you can find this information about safety removing your devices. Okay, this notification that I was talking about a few moments ago, it just disappeared. But if you actually receive this kind of the notification, just accept. And then we have to open our PC. So open this File Explorer folder, and from this go to this PC, and now select your Galaxy M15 5G. Now as you can see, for some reason it appears as empty. So let's actually unplug this cable from our phone and connect it one more time. Now click to allow, and now on the right bottom corner on our PC, just accept this, select to choose what happens with this device, and select to open device to view files. As you can see, right now we can find the internal storage of our Samsung Galaxy M15 5G. We can just open it, and as you can see now we've got access into our data. So if you want to transfer anything from your PC into your phone, you have to actually select this. For example, if I want to move this shortcuts, let's say that this is actually some kind of the photos, I have to select them, click and hold with the left mouse button, and then I have to drag to any folder. For example, if I want to put music, I have to put it to the music folder. If I want to put pictures, I have to put it in the pictures folder. And if you want to move something from your phone, like for example some camera photos, open this folder DCAM, and now just select anything that you want to quickly transfer into your PC, but previously you have to just wait for this loading screen, and now you can actually select anything that you want and move it to your PC. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.